Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is for class 12th, subject mathematics, and the topic is minors and cofactors. Today we will discuss about minors and cofactors. Now, first of all, we should know why these minors and cofactors are used. We know that these minors and cofactors are used in order to find the inverse of a matrix. But when we calculate the inverse of a matrix, adjoint of a matrix is needed. Also, when we calculate adjoint of a matrix, cofactors are used. Now, when we want to calculate the cofactors, so minors are used. So, एक तरह की एक प्रोसेस है, पहले माइनर, फिर कोफैक्टर, फिर एडजॉइंट, फिर इनवर्स. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट माइनर. माइनर किसको हम कहते हैं? नो, इफ वी हैव अ मैट्रिक्स, अगर हमारे पास कोई भी मैट्रिक्स है, नो एट एनी पोजीशन ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, व्हेन वी एक्सपैंड दिस मैट्रिक्स and the value obtained, that value is known as the minor of that matrix. At any position, किसी भी पोजीशन पर अगर आप डिराइव करना चाहते हैं, एक्सपेंड करना चाहते हैं मैट्रिक्स को, जो वहां पर वैल्यू निकलेगा, that will be minor of the matrix. Such as we'll take a matrix here. So my matrix M, we'll take matrix M that is equal to, we have here, we'll take 3 cross 3 matrix A11, A12, A13. So A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is the matrix of order 3 cross 3. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. Suppose we are asked to find the minors of this matrix. माइनर्स, तो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी कहा कि माइनर ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स एट एनी पोजीशन ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, एट एनी पोजीशन, दिस पोजीशन, आप किसी भी जगह, एट एनी पोजीशन ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, व्हेन वी एक्सपैंड दिस मैट्रिक्स and the value obtained, that's known as the minor of the matrix. So first of all, we'll calculate M11. That means the minor of the matrix at position 1 1. 1 1 means first row and first column. So I will write here M11. So that is equal to, so M, इसके लिए एक तरीका है, by deleting first row and first column, because it's the element of first row and first column. So we will delete first row and first column. तो यहाँ पर हमें आएगा, so it will be here by deleting first row and first column. So here it will be A22. तो यहाँ पर आएगा A23. So this will be A32. So A33. अब कैसे हम निकालेंगे, तो वैल्यू कैसे हम निकालेंगे, तो इसके लिए तरीका ये है. सो विल राइट हियर M11 दैट इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है, बीच में माइनस लिया जाता है, ठीक है. सो विल राइट हियर A22 A33 माइनस टाइम, तो मल्टीप्लाई, तो इनको इन दो को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे माइनस टाइम्स दिस. सो दिस विल बी A23 इंटू A32. जो यहां पर वैल्यू आएगा आपको, दैट विल बी द माइनर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. जैसे हम अभी पहले हम इसको निकालेंगे, फॉर्मूला हम यहां पर बनाएंगे, फिर बाद में हम एक मैट्रिक्स लेंगे, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट मैट्रिक्स वी कैन फाइंड द माइनर्स. Similarly, so it is M11. Oh, second, M12, that will be equal to, so M12 means this position. By deleting first row but second column, so वहां पर निकलेगा, so this will be A21, so A23, this will be A31, A33. तो यहां पर अगर आप निकालेंगे M12 that is equal to, तो यहां पर भी आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं. सो इट विल बी A21 A33 माइनस टाइम्स A31 A23. सो दिस इज सेकंड माइनर. तो आपको मालूम होना चाहिए कि अगर आप देखेंगे इसमें कितने माइनर्स निकलेंगे, आप देखेंगे इसमें 9 एलिमेंट्स है, तो 9 माइनर्स यहाँ पर निकलेंगे. सो इट वाज M12. थर्ड जो है, सो दैट इज M13, दैट इज इक्वल टू M13. सो बाय डिलीटिंग, सो इट्स द एलिमेंट ऑफ फर्स्ट रो एंड थर्ड कॉलम, तो इसलिए हम डिलीट करेंगे फर्स्ट रो और थर्ड कॉलम. सो दिस विल बी A21 by deleting first row and third column, so A22, शाबाश, so this will be A31, A32. अगर आप इसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे, so this will be M13 is equal to A21, A32 minus times A22, A31. So it was a third minor. Now next आप लेंगे M21, M21 next minor अगर आप लेंगे, so this M21, अब इस पोजीशन पर हम निकालेंगे माइनर, so that will be equal to, by deleting it's the second row but first column, so it will be A12 by deleting first row and second row and first column, A13, A32, A33, A33, or you can write here M21 is equal to, तो यहाँ पर भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे, so this will be A12, A33 minus times A32, A13. So it was the M21. Now next is M22. So that will be M22 is equal to, so M22 will be, so by deleting second row and second column, so second row and second column, so here it is A11, A13, A13, so delete second row and second column, so A31, A31, A33, A33, M22 is equal to, so it will be A11, A33 minus times A31, A13, A13. So M22. Similarly, we write here M23. So this position is the element of second row and third column. So second row, third column. So the determinant will be second row and third column. It will be A11, A12, A12, A31, A31, A32, A32. So that is equal to M23 is equal to A11, A32 minus A31, A12, A12, second row and third column. तो ये M23 निकला. Similarly, so we'll calculate here M31, M31, M31. So this position, so it's the element of third row but first column, that is equal to, so by deleting for third row, so it is row and it's column, by deleting third row but first column, third row and first column, so this will be equal to A12, A13 by deleting third row and first column, so here it will be a third row and first column, so A22, A22 and A23. तो अगर इसको आप एक्सपेंड करेंगे, so that is equal to A12 into A23 minus times A22, A13. तो ये आपने A31 निकाला. तो next will be this M32. Similarly, M32 is equal to, so this is the element of third row, element of third row, but second column. So we'll delete here third row and second column. So by deleting third row and second column, so here it will be A11, second row by M32, third row, second column. So A11, A13, so here A21 and A23. अगर आप इसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे, तो दिस विल बी A11, A23 minus times A13 into A21. तो ये और एक माइनर है. So next, that's the last minor. So that will be M33. M33 is equal to. So here M33. So this position by deleting third row and third column. So we delete third row and third column. So this will be A11, A11, A12, A12, A12. So here it is A21 and A22, A22. तो इसको भी अगर हम एक्सपेंड करेंगे सो इट विल बी A11 A22 minus A12 into A21. So these are the 9 minors of this matrix. Now we'll take a matrix, simple matrix, and we'll find the minors of that matrix. So it's an easy process. So we have here 9 minors: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh minor, eighth, and ninth minor. Because we have 9 positions here, we can expand this matrix in 9 ways. So we'll take a matrix here. Now we will see how we can calculate. किस तरह हम निकालते हैं minors of a matrix. We'll take an example of a simple matrix. Here we have matrix M that is equal to. तो उससे पहले अब यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे कि minor of a matrix. So that is represented by, अगर आप देखेंगे minor of a matrix, that is represented by Mij. So I means row and J means column. जैसे आपने अभी निकाला M11, so it's the minor of first row and first column. आपने देखा, इसलिए हम कहेंगे यहाँ पर 1 2 1 का मतलब है कि यहाँ पर first row second column. So this is represented by Mij. So the minor of a matrix is represented by Mij. जैसे आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं कि M21. So here I is 2 and J is 1. So it's the symbolic representation of the matrix Mij. So we'll take an example here. Matrix M that is equal to 1 3 2 2 1 4 1 3 2. A simple matrix. We are supposed to find the minors of the matrix. 9 minors of the matrix. So first of all, M11 that is equal to means first row and first column by deleting first row and first column. So 1 4 3 2. So that is equal to, so 2 into 1, that is 2 minus times 4 3s are 12. So that will be equal to minus 10. So it's M11. Similarly, we will write here M12 that is equal to. So M12 means by deleting first row and second column, first row but second column, the remaining determinant will be by deleting first row and second column. So it will be 2 4 4 1 first row second column 1 and 2. So that is equal to 4 minus, so this will be 4, that will be equal to 0. Similarly, M13 by deleting first row and third column, first row first and column third. So that is by deleting first row and third column. So this will be equal to 2 1 1 3 is equal to 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. That is 5. So it was the M13. M13. Now second, we'll write here M21 is equal to, by deleting second row and first column, by deleting second row and first column. So we'll delete this second row and first column. So 3 2 and 3 2. So 3 2 3 2. So that will be equal to, जब हम इसको expand करेंगे, आपने देखा किस तरह हम expand करते हैं. So it will be 6 minus 6, that is equal to 0. That's equal to 0. It was M21. Now M22. M22. By deleting second row and second column, second row and second column, second row and second column. So 1 2 and 1 2. So this is 1 2 1 2. So that will be equal to 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. That's also 0. Similarly, we'll take here M23, that is equal to, by deleting second row and third column, 1 3 and 1 3. So it is 1 3 1 3. So that is equal to 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So that's also equal to 0. Now M31, that is equal to M31. So by deleting third row and first column here, third row, so it is third row and first column. So third row but first column. So this will be equal to 3 2 1 4. So that is equal to, so 12. So it is 12 minus 2. So that is equal to 10. That is equal to 10. Similarly, we will write here M32. So that will be by deleting third row. So it is a third row and second column, third row and second column. So 1 2 and 2 4. 1 2 2 4. So this will be equal to, 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. That's equal to 0. That will be 0. Now here we will calculate M33. M33, that is equal to, by deleting third row and third column, so it will be 1 3 and 2 1. 1 3 1 3 2 1. So that is equal to, so 1 minus 6, that is equal to minus 5. Now these are the minors, 9 minors. आप देख रहे हैं कि 9 minors हैं इस मैट्रिक्स सीरीज के. So इस प्रोसेस से आप निकाल सकते हैं minors of the matrix. Now next is cofactors. Now cofactors. जिस तरह आपने अभी देखा कि minors are denoted by or represented by M I J. Similarly, cofactors. Now cofactors are denoted by, so cofactors are denoted by A I J, and the cofactors are equal to cofactors that is equal to a cofactor that is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j m I j. With the help of this we can calculate the cofactor. जैसे आपने यहाँ पर देखा cofactors they are denoted by mij. Similarly, the cofactors they are represented by, sometimes they are represented by Cij. So here we will denote Aij, and the cofactors they are equal to, that is equal, or we can say a cofactor that is equal to minus times 1 raised power I plus j mij. जैसे हम निकालेंगे यहाँ पर, जैसे हम cofactors निकालेंगे आप, so A11 that is equal to, so that means the cofactor of first row and first column. So इस पोजीशन पर हम cofactor निकालेंगे. So यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे I is equal to, so this I it is equal to 1 and j is also equal to 1. So that will be equal to minus times 1 raised to power I is 1. So here आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So minus times I plus j m I j. Mij so it is, तो यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे ij डायरेक्ट. सो ये फॉर्मूला है कोफैक्टर्स की. तो हमने वो रब किया है, तो अब आपको याद नहीं रहा होगा तो हम यहाँ से निकालेंगे. तो यहाँ से हम निकालेंगे, तो इन पर हम निकालेंगे. हमारे पास 2 4 है, इन पर हम निकालेंगे. तो आप चेक करेंगे क्या होगा वहां पर. ठीक, तो आप यहाँ पर निकालेंगे A22 आप निकालेंगे यहाँ पर. सो द कोफैक्टर एट दिस पोजीशन A22, सो दैट विल बी इक्वल टू minus times 1 raised to power so 2 plus 2. So I is 2 here. So आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे I is 2 and j is also equal to 2. So we'll write here. So A22 that's equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j. So here it is 2 plus 2 into Mij. तो आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे M22 क्योंकि वो हमने ऑलरेडी रब किया है यहाँ पर. तो अब हमारे पास है M22 M23. तो विद हेल्प ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस, इसी प्रोसेस से आप हर एक निकाल सकते हैं. जैसे आप M11 भी निकाल सकते हैं क्योंकि आपके पास मौजूद होगा, वो आप निकाल सकते हैं वहां पर. इसलिए हम यहाँ पर निकालेंगे कहां से, M22 से, A22 से निकालेंगे, फिर A23 निकालेंगे, A34 निकालेंगे, A31 निकालेंगे, A32 निकालेंगे. इसी तरह हम निकालेंगे यहाँ पर A33 क्योंकि जो हमने ऑलरेडी लिखे वो निकाले थे वो आपने रब किए हैं, तो आपने नोट किया होगा, तो आप वहां से भी निकाल सकते हैं. So we'll write here A22 that is equal to minus 1 raised to power, so it will be 4 M22. So M22 हमने निकाला है, so that is 0. So it is 0. So this is 0. So we'll write here A22 that will be equal to 0. तो ये 0 के बराबर निकला. तो आपने देखा यहाँ पर ये भी 0 के बराबर है, ये भी 0 के बराबर है. सिमिलरली आप दूसरा निकालेंगे यहाँ पर A23 that is equal to minus 1 raised to power I plus j. यहाँ I plus j यहाँ पर अब आपके पास है I is equal to 2 plus j is equal to 3 into M23, or we can write here M23 that is equal to minus 1 raised to power, so it is 5 into, so this is 0. So we can write here A23 that's also equal to 0. ये 0 के बराबर है. Now अब हम निकालेंगे यहाँ पर, so we'll calculate here A31 that is equal to A31 here A31, so it will be A31, so minus 1 raised to power, so I have 3 यहाँ पर. So यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे I is 3 plus j is 1 into M31. So A31 that is equal to minus times minus, so it will be here, it will be minus 1 raised to power 4 into M31. So here M31 that is 10. So we can write here m31 that is equal to -1. So -1 raised to power 4. आपको मालूम है कि -1 raised to power even that's also positive. That is positive. -1 raised to power even number, even power. You can say here -1 raised to power negative raised to power even power. That is positive. So we can write here it will be 1 into 10. A31 is equal to 10. तो आप ये आपने निकाला यहाँ पर. Similarly आप यहाँ निकालेंगे तो यहाँ से हम निकालेंगे next. तो नेक्स्ट हम निकालेंगे यहां पर A32 that is equal to -1 raised to power 3 plus 2 into m32. So A32 is equal to -1 raised to power 5 -1 raised to power 5 into, so it is 0, m32 is 0, so A32 is equal to -1 raised to power 5 into, so it will be 0, so whole will be 0, this will be 0. Similarly we'll calculate here, so this is 0. तो इस तरीके से आप कोफैक्टर्स को निकाल सकते हैं. Similarly we can calculate A33 that is equal to -1 raised to power 3 plus 3 m3 3. So A33 is equal to -1 raised to power 6 into, so m33, so that will be equal to -5. So A33 is equal to, so it will be equal to, so negative power even, negative -1 raised to power even, so that will be 1 into -5, that is equal to -5. तो इस तरीके से आप कोफैक्टर्स को निकाल सकते हैं. हमें कुछ और भी करना है अभी, तो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम और 2-3 एग्जांपल्स लेंगे, फिर हम देखेंगे. इसमें यह हमें देखना है कि जब i plus j इवन होगा तो उस वक्त कोफैक्टर क्या निकलेगा. और ये भी हमें देखना है कि जब i plus j, जैसे ये वाला i plus j, ये i plus j ऑड होगा तो कोफैक्टर क्या निकलेगा. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में वही देखेंगे.